The search for these chimneys.
Every year, billions of dollars worth of diamonds are traded globally. With a market valued at nearly 80 billion, these precious stones are a symbol of luxury worldwide.
But have you ever thought about the journey a diamond takes to reach a jewelry store?
In this video, we'll explore the fascinating process of diamond production.
From their formation in the depths of the earth, to the cutting and polishing that reveal their brilliance.
Diamond production begins deep within the earth, billions of years ago, long before the dinosaurs existed.
Carbon atoms, previously disordered in their original form, are forced to align into a perfect, compact crystal structure. This alignment, this molecular dance under infernal conditions, is what creates the diamond.
The rock that harbors these forming crystals is called kimberlite, an igneous rock that solidified from a volatile. But the diamond, even already formed, is still trapped in the depths. For it to reach the surface, a cataclysmic geological event is necessary.
A volcanic eruption of gigantic proportions.
Not an eruption like the ones we see today, with lava flowing slowly.
These eruptions, which occurred millions of years ago, were violent and rapid.
Kimberlite-rich magma, carrying the diamonds, ascended at high speed through faults in the Earth's crust,
Creating cone-shaped structures, known as volcanic pipes or kimberlite pipes. The search for these chimneys is a geological detective job.
Scientists and engineers use various techniques such as geochemical analyses and magnetic studies to identify the locations most likely to contain kimberlite.
Once a potential pipe is found, exploration begins with drilling to extract subsurface samples.
Keep that steady on the red line. We need to hit the kimberlite by next shift.
The analysis of these samples is crucial to determine the economic viability of the mine. That is, whether the concentration.
When the decision to mine is made, the hard work begins.
There are two main methods of kimberlite mining: open pit mining and underground mining.
In open pit mining, a huge pit is excavated on the surface.
Dozers, excavators, and gigantic trucks work tirelessly to remove the top layer of soil and waste rock, revealing the kimberlite rock. The rock containing the diamonds is then extracted in layers, in a process that resembles a spiral excavation. The scale of this type of operation is impressive, with mines becoming vast artificial amphitheaters visible from space. At a certain point, the depth becomes so great that underground mining becomes more viable.
In this method, tunnels are excavated from the surface to the depth of the kimberlite pipe.
We need to secure this section before the next blast. Make sure the support beams are set.
From these main tunnels,
the rock is then drilled, and explosives are used to fragment it. The fragmented rock is then transported by a system of conveyors or trucks to elevators that bring it to the surface.
In both methods, the objective is the same: to extract the kimberlite rock where the diamonds are for the beneficiation process.
Once on the surface, the kimberlite rock, also known as ore, goes through a series of stages to separate the diamonds from everything else.
This facility processes thousands of tons of ore every day, revealing the hidden brilliance that lies within the rock. The large rocks extracted from the mine are broken into smaller pieces by giant machines, facilitating handling and subsequent separation.
next, the crushed ore is mixed with water and sent for the concentration process. The density of diamond is greater than most other minerals present in kimberlite.
Its difference is the operating principle of concentration machines. A common method is the use of heavy-medium cyclonettes,
where a mixture of water and ferrosilicon, a dense metallic powder, is used to create a suspension that acts as a dense liquid.
When the crushed ore is added to this suspension, the lighter minerals float and are discarded, while the diamonds and other heavier minerals sink.
The material that sinks, now enriched with diamonds, undergoes a cleaning process, and then is subjected to an
Diamonds, when struck by X-rays, emit a fluorescence. Sophisticated machines fire X-ray pulses at the concentrated material. The material collected after X-ray separation still contains some other heavy minerals, and, of course, diamonds.
This final mixture is then subjected to a final stage of manual separation.
In highly secure rooms, trained workers examine the material, manually separating the rough diamonds.
At this stage, human skill is irreplaceable.
The human eye is capable of identifying the unique characteristics of each diamond, such as shape, color, and transparency.
After being cleaned and separated, the rough diamonds are graded.
The grading of rough diamonds is a complex process that takes into account size, weight, shape, color, and clarity.
High-quality diamonds are separated from industrial-grade diamonds, which are used for manufacturing cutting and drilling tools, drills, and abrasives.
The majority of the world's extracted diamonds are industrial grade.
The diamonds that will be cut to become jewels are sent to cutting and polishing centers.